In this video, we will cover the process of recalibrating your Z offset using BuildFlow. On screen is a list of things that you will need to do this. Sign into BuildFlow using an admin level account. Access the printers list from the top of the screen. Click on the maintenance button next to the printer you want to calibrate. Under the Maintenance tab, click on Start Calibration. Wait for the printer to heat up to 220 degrees Celsius. Click Test and examine the test strip that is printed. You may want to raise the offset first if it is too low. The strip that is printed helps you judge calibration. The strip must be relatively flat, filled in, and not easily scratched off. Make small incremental changes, testing each adjustment until you think the calibration is perfect. Click Finish Calibration to go back to the maintenance console. It is also a good idea to do a test print to try out your new calibration settings. If you have any trouble, please submit a support request. Thank you for watching.